You go looking for a file and like, where is that file? It's like, oh, I deleted it weeks ago, months ago. Do I have a good backup? Can I find that file? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Backup, backup, backup. And when you back up, ensure that you can restore those files as well. Not just they're being backed up, but you can verify that they're being restored. You're able to restore those as well. That's huge. There was a law firm recently that I read about that they had been backing up and were hit by ransomware, so they get to restore all their backups because they had good back or they thought they had good backups, and the file in the backup had been hanging up on a certain file, so they had lost like at least I want to believe so it's 2 to 3 months worth of work that they lost. They were able to recover from the ransomware, but 2 months of work just right down the tube, so they couldn't do anything with it. So backup, backup, backup. And then there's several different flavors of backup. There's a local backup that where you're just backing up to a local, either a server or a network attached storage or to an external drive as well. Several different ways to do that. And then there's a cloud backup where you're backing up to a cloud service such as Amazon or Azure, uh, dozens of different ones to do. So, and you're just backing up to the cloud. Or there's a hybrid, which is depending upon what your situation is. Hybrid may be the most effective because if you're dealing with like very large files like video or graphics, it's easier just to back up to a local device and then have that cloud and then have that device back up to the cloud as well, just to make it easy. So that way you have a local device. So if you need to retrieve something quickly, it works very well. And then also you have the security of it being back to the cloud as well. So lots of different ways to do it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but make sure you back up. Y'all have a good day.